Ugh. Hello everyone. Something's on my hand. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a long-awaited video. I know you've all been waiting for it, and it's taken me forever to get it out, but here it is. We are going to be talking about basketball today. I know, I've gotten so many comments about how we need to talk about basketballs and how to play basketball and how to dribble and all that good stuff. So, without further ado, let's get into it. No guys, I'm just kidding. We are finally here to finish our crap book, but this time we're going to call it the ShrekMac because it's going to be made out of an iMac. If you've seen my last video, you'll know what I'm talking about, but if you haven't, go check it out. It's going to be up there. Other than that, I just have to bring out the iMac and show you guys. We got this baby on eBay for cheap, so it's going to do us good, right? You know, cheap stuff always works. You see, you got the iMac lettering right there, so you know it's legit. You got the nice stand, you got the power cord, and you got the nice curved keyboard and stuff, so it's going to be good. First step I want to do, actually, I already know it works, but just to prove to you guys it works, we're just going to plug in to one of the 3 USB ports, which gives us 2 more down here, and we're going to do this fancy thing called plugging in the power cord. And when you actually plug in the power cord, it allows power to flow into the computer, causing it to run. Now, I know that's kind of a strange new topic for many of you guys, but to me, it's kind of an old tradition. So, alright, I'm going to plug this in over here for you. And crazy enough, I don't have a mouse. So we're going to be using this keyboard with an integrated mouse. Beautiful noise right there. I talked about it in the last video. I love that noise. We're seeing the Apple logo right here as it boots up. And okay, it works. We're good to go. We're going to unplug this baby and throw the cord off the side, and we're going to take off the keyboard. I don't think we'll be doing anything with the keyboard just because it's an heirloom and we like it. And we can take this out for a bit, and whoa. Yeah, never mind. Oops, that was loud. Ain't she a beauty? Alright, we're going to tip her over on her side and see what we need to do to take her apart. We should probably take the stand off first. Let's get into that. So I tipped it over here, and I actually have no clue what to do, so I'm going to magically loosen this screw down here because I'm a genius. Let's see what happens. The screw's not coming loose. There we go. There we go. Okay. First screw, and we've already lost it. Doesn't matter because we're trying to make a crap book, but or a ShrekMac, but the screw is gone. So don't do that if you're replicating this. Actually, just don't replicate this. So let's tip it up again. Hey, look. Oh, I forgot a screw because I'm stupid. But it's coming off. It's going there. Well, if there's one thing I like less in life than roasted marshmallows, and no, I love roasted marshmallows. Roasted, what are they called? Starbursts. I hate those things. It's probably going to be screws because, not screws, bolts. I don't know. I hate them. I could only get 4 of the needed 5 out. And, so that's when you end up with nasty stuff like this, where it's all bent. Either way, I got the front casing off, and I unplugged all the needed cords so that nothing would break this time. So there we go, I'm being smart this time. As you can see, it kind of already looks crazy and wonky, so we should just leave it like this and be done. Thank you everyone for watching, and bye. No, we're going to do more, but I don't know what yet. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry, but I lied. I didn't want to take off this beautiful back panel because of all the shininess. It looks good, so why take it off? I mean, you got 2 FireWire ports on there, and who's going to use those anymore? So, either way, I'd just like you guys to take a moment and realize I have no clue what I'm doing. But I'm trying, so thanks for watching. And if you came here from DankPods, That's kind of cool. But if you haven't seen his channel yet, go check it out. It's going to be right there. Without further ado, here we go. Beautiful, right? I know, it's amazing. Can't say anything more. I know we didn't do as much as I wanted, but it still looks pretty cool. You have this open area down here and showing all the components. Probably not safe for the computer, but you know, it's fine. Looks good. I mean, you get the face there, beautiful. What else could you ask for? I don't know. You guys have no idea what this video is about. Maybe you want to go check out my first video, which is about recreating DankPods ShrekPod, which is where he took an iPod and basically made it a ShrekPod. And kind of cool. So go check that out. That's over there. And other than that, thank you. Thanks for watching and tuning in to the horrible presentation that I have given you today. And I leave you with that.